Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that whether speaking correct English is necessary or not. And the answer is that correct English speaking is must, is necessary for those who are the native English language speakers. And for those who are non-native English language speakers and those are beginner, those are improving their English language, and if they make some kinds of mistakes while speaking the English language, then I think it's okay. Making mistakes in the beginning is okay. But when you are learning English on advanced level, I think that you should overcome this problem of making mistakes during your speech. So if you make a lot of mistakes, then it's not good. Making some petty kind of mistakes, some little mistakes are okay. Because you know that the native speakers are native people, those are living in the countries where the English is first language, they can judge you. They can judge your mistakes. Otherwise, the non-native people, those are not good in English language. Your main motive is to make others understandable whatever you are saying. If other people are understanding you, your speech, your dialogues, your conversation, then it's okay that your message is reaching to them. Otherwise, when you are starting learning English language, then if you make some kind of mistakes, sometimes you make mistakes as he does not go. Sometimes you say that he do not go. The other can understand that whatever you want to say. But the mistake is that he does not go. Instead of using does, you are using do. He do not go. The other will understand the meaning of your sentence, but they will judge the mistake that you are doing a little mistakes. Then such little mistakes are okay when you are non-native. But if you make mistakes in your whole conversation, then it's a bad impact on others. So try to improve yourself. Sometimes we have good vocabulary in our minds. We have the ability. We have learnt difficult words and their meanings. Lot of stuff is in our mind. But the problem is that when we speak, we are not able to form the sentences in proper way. Because we are non-native, and main problem is because we lack the practice. Without doing practice, we are not able to achieve good goals in English language. So I think main thing is practice. As when you try to drive a car, in the beginning, you will drive in a straight way, in open ground. You are not able to turn right or left, or you are not able to reverse. So when you will do practice on daily basis, consistent practice, then after some days you will be able to drive the vehicle in proper way. And when you will do more practice, finally you will be the expert of that driving. So practice is necessary. If you want to improve yourself in English language, then do your practice on daily basis consistently. Don't make breaks or intervals. Consistently do the hard work. Finally you will speak good English language that will be understandable by others. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please, if you are new on our channel, subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.